welcome to my channel, and this is our fourth lesson for French. So in today's lesson we will be learning French days of week. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So the first day, which is Monday, is pronounced as lundi. Lundi. Repeat. Lundi. Lundi, lundi. Then Tuesday is called mardi. Mardi, mardi. Then Wednesday is mehekdi. Mehekdi. Mehekdi, mehekdi. Thursday is jeudi. Jeudi, jeudi. Friday is called vendredi. 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 Saturday is samedi. 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 Sunday is called dimanche. 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 So we've done with the words, and let's repeat them from the starting. Lundi. Lundi. Mardi. Mardi. Mehekdi. Mehekdi. Jeudi. Jeudi. Vendredi. Vendredi. Samedi. Samedi. Dimanche. Dimanche. And now if you're gonna say with the music, then it'll look like that. Lundi, mardi, mehekdi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. So it's like that. And now we're over with our video. So yeah, for the question of the day, write in the comments down below that from all these words, which do you think is the most difficult pronunciation you feel? It can be any of these, like Monday to Sunday. So if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe down below to see more videos like this one. So see you next time everyone. Bye.